नमस्कार. प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया आयच्यो मुखेल खबरो. कालवी न्हंयतली सोद मोहीम बंद. 7वी कूड मेळना. कंडक्टरूय बेपत्ता. ड्रायव्हर सादूर आशिल्लो जाल्यार साल्वार जावपाचो प्रवाशांचो जीव. बसीचो हँडब्रेकय चलनाशिल्लो. पळयात ह्यो गजाली उक्ताडार हाडपी प्रुडंटाचो खासा रिपोर्ट. कालवी बस अपघाताक प्रशासन जबाबदार. लोकांचो आरोप. मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामतीक हौदण्या येवंक दिवचे नात. लोक पेटले. पर्रीकार म्हणटा सत्तेर आयल्यार येता त्या जानेर मेरेन कालवी पूल उबो. भाजपा सत्तेर आयल्यार प्रादेशीक आराखडो रद्द. पंचायत वाठारांनी खाजगी घरांचेर कर ना. 100 दिसां भितर नेमतले लोकायुक्त. घरकान्नींक म्हयन्याक 1000चो भत्तो. प्रादेशीक भाशांतल्या शाळांकच अनुदान. भाजपाच्यो घोशणा. आनी मुळगांवां शिवोलकार वाड्यार ऑटो गॅरेजीक लागलो उजो. 25 लाखांच्यो गाडयो आनी शेकड्यांनी गाडयांचो लासून गोबर. शॉर्ट सर्किटाक लागून लागलो उजो. 5 लाखांच्यो गाडयो लोकांनी केल्यो साल्वार. आतां खबरो विस्तारान. कालवी न्हंयतली सोद मोहीम आनीक कुडी मेळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान आयतारा दनपारा बंद केली. बसीचो ड्रायव्हर सादूर आशिल्लो जाल्यार ब्रेक फेल जावनय प्रवाशांक साल्वार करपाक शकतलो आशिल्लो अशें दाखोवपी कांय गजाली उक्ताडार येवंक लागल्यात. ती बस हे पयलीं चलयल्ल्या एका ड्रायव्हराचोय अणभव हेंच सांगता. 6 म्हयने पयलीं पास जाल्ल्या बसीचो हँडब्रेकय चलनाशिल्लो. लोकांक साल्वार करपा खातीर ते देंवतेर उदक सोडून कितल्योशोच सुवाती आशिल्ल्यो हें दाखोवपी हो निखिल परेरा आनी श्याम सुंदर फट्टेचो खासा रिपोर्ट.
This is the spot where the bus stopped last, and this is where normally the bus would go to proceed to the ferry boat point where the bus would have its final stop. Now the common theory is that the driver came to know that his brakes failed right from this spot. There's another floating theory from a person who was on the bus that the bus was switched off. Now this is what is normally done, as even one of the drivers of this route has told us that this is what is normally done, and they switch off the bus over here and they go. If you can take a look at this slope, it's not a very big slope, and it's got a gradient of as the police say 25 to 30.
In my experience तिने देवती स्लोप चड व्हडलो ना, बट तिने न्यूट्रल बसून केली जाल्यार एक ब्रेक फेल जाला म्हणून बाय चान्स तिने एक शेतान जरी उडय येता आसली खंयचे सायडीक मागीर बरो बाय चान्स दर्या लागीं पावलो तरी आसतना ताका चान्स आसलो एक लेफ्ट नाल्यार रायटान बस घालपाक
ते गाडी रोमताली.
हय भितरली 8-9 मेल्या तितून एक कोण तरी हात मोडून पांय मोडून एक गाडी पलटी जाल्यार एक उरूंक शकताले अशें. हांवें अशें हालदोना लायनीक पयले चडशे गाडी ऑफ करून न्यूट्रलूय न्हू ऑफ करून केन्ना देंवत एक चडशे ऑफ करून चलयता गाडी. ओके ऑफ करून न्यूट्रल गाडी आसली म्हणटकूच वारो तुका लेस जायना वारो चडत आसता. ओके हे म्हणजे एअर ब्रेक हे आतांचे.
So let's just have a look at the slope gradient. What could also be looked into is that if the driver knew that his brakes had failed, or if he knew he's losing control of the bus, there are a lot of these soft walnuts at the side of the road. आमी एका कोंकणीन वणटी म्हणटा. It's just loose rock put with a little bit of laterite soil. So this is very soft. This is a very soft wall, unlike this wall on this side, which is a very hard wall. So if the driver wanted, he could have well steered into each of these walls. He could have had his choice on which side of the road he wanted to steer his bus, and there's sort of a stepped field here. So if the driver wanted, he could have even ran into this area of the road, or once again, if you see on the right side of the road where the heavy wall was there are shrubs, there are small trees. Once again, if we show you a look at it, right where the first car is in the far distance on the left side of the road, that's where the bus has its first stop before it reaches here, or rather its second last stop before it reaches here. This is the place. This is the runoff area where the bus comes. It comes down the slope as we were showing you all. It runs into this area and it reverses. It reverses up to the point where the lamp post is, and then it goes ahead straight. What the drivers of late are doing on this route that the bus went straight, the bus goes straight of late, running on neutral or running with the engine off, and then they reverse back into this runoff area and then go straight. We've also seen the area right next to the ferry point, the borough over there. There's a lot of soft sand, soft soil with a lot of mangroves. So if the driver wished, he had like this is the sixth spot where he could have chose to drive the bus into to save the people.
As of now, there is no news that one more is missing.
Okay.
But still, we would like to continue our search operation for another 1 hour or so.
Okay.
So that even if some dead body is there, it comes on the surface of the water and it floats.
Okay.
So we would like to have a third round of search on the surface of the water.
Okay, so on the basis of the logic that this is a gradient slope, had the brake failed, the driver should have known at the start. This is what many people are claiming. It's a very logical claim. Do you feel the brake fail theory could be a little wrong?
It is a matter of investigation. Unless we get a report from mechanical inspection report, we cannot say anything. Just people are saying, we cannot give a concrete statement on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the authorities, the police authorities, fire authorities reaching 45-50 minutes after the first call was made? What do you have to say about
police staff reached within 10 minutes. In fact, our sub-inspector who is from the Anjuna police station, he reached within Mapsa police station. He reached within 10 minutes. He in fact he got injured during the rescue operation of the bus.
What about your men? I mean, they arrived on the site and
Coastal police reached within 40 minutes. We directed the coastal police, they reached within 30 minutes.
But they do not have the diving equipment, so what do you have to say about that?
I cannot comment on this
because had they had the diving equipment, they would have been able to go down and maybe...
But initially, whenever you get a call, your first response is just reach there and see what's going on. Then only if you feel what kind of resources are required, then you really address to those issues.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर सुदीन ढवळीकर, अरुण देसाय, म्हापशेचो असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर आयवो रॉड्रिग्स, मागीर त्या गाडयेक 6 म्हयन्यां पयलीं 6-7 म्हयन्यां पयलीं फिटनेस दिल्ले तो इन्स्पेक्टर, यांची सगळ्यांची नांवां एड करची आनी तेंच्यांनी अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर केल्या पळय सेक्शनां ती डायरेक्ट मर्डराची सेक्शनां लावची अशी आमी तितूनसून मागणी केल्या. कारण जी पळय बसीक 6 म्हयन्यां पयलीं पळय फिटनेस दिल्लेले पळय ते बसीक हँडब्रेक जर ऑपरेट जातालो जाल्यार काल ती बस ह्या अपघातान सापडोंक शकनासली.
कालवी न्हंयतल्या बस अपघाताक प्रशासनच जबाबदार असो आरोप थंयचे लोक करतात. थळावा आमदार दयानंद नार्वेकाराचेरय लोकांनी आरोप केल्यात. मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामतीक हळडण्या येवंक दिवचे नात म्हूण लोक पेटल्यात. जाल्यार विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी मनोहर पर्रीकार म्हणटा भाजपा सत्तेर आयल्यार फुडल्या जानेर मेरेन कालवी पूल उबो करतले.
ग्रामसभेन लोकांनी रेजोल्यूशन घेतलेले हांगासर स्पीड ब्रेकर घालपाक आनी बॅरिकेड घालपाक ते सुद्दां आयज पासून तुका हांगा बॅरिकेडूय दिसना ना म्हणून स्पीड ब्रेकरूय दिसना. लोकांक फोर्सान मारून करून तांणी हे हाय टेन्शन लायन घाल्ली आहा हांगासर आनी आयज जरी तर एक हांगासर ब्रिज बांदपाक जाय जाल्यार ह्या हाय टेन्शन लायनीक लागून हांगासर ब्रिज बांदपाक जायना.
They have not built any speed breakers. That bridge we have asked them to build for so many years, still it is not built. This is a straight road that leads to a river. There is nothing over here, not a single thing. Speed breaker also, where is the speed breaker?
आमचो आमदार मिस्टर दयानंद नार्वेकर जबाबदार आसा. कारण गेल्या वेळार तेणे मॅनिफेस्टोन आमकां सांगलेलें की आपूण येयल्या बरोबर 5 वर्सांक हे पूल बांदतलो म्हणून, नाल्यार आपूण इलेक्शनाक बसतलो म्हणून. आनी तरी आसतना आयज तो परत आमकां आश्वासन दिता, खोटी आश्वासन दिता आपूण पूल बांदतलो म्हणून. आमी हेचेर कसो विश्वास दवरपाचो?
हांगासर हाच्या पयलीं एक एक्सिडंट जालो की मारुती डायरेक्ट भितून गेल्ली, तेन्ना तरी हांगासर स्पीड ब्रेकर येवंक जाय आसलो.
दिगंबर कामत हांगा येता म्हूण भुरग्यांक 2-2 लाख दिवंक, आमची भुरगीं नुस्तें न्ही बाजारांतले, तांचो व्हॅल्यू 2-2 लाख करपाक. ताका तर दोम आहात आनी हांगा येवन दाखोवचें ताचो पुलीस बस हाडचो.
On infrastructure would be Corona Kalvi Bridge, where yesterday the tragedy has taken place, and I promised that by December, January, the bridge should be near ready, or at least by March it should be ready for traffic. March 2013.
भाजपान जाहीरनामो जाहीर केलो. पक्ष सत्तेर आयल्यार सध्याचो प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2021 रद्द करतलो. पंचायत वाठारांनी खासगी घरांचेर कर आसचो ना. 100 दिसां भितर लोकायुक्त नेमतले. घरकान्नींक म्हयन्याक 1000चो भत्तो अश्यो घोशणा पक्षान केल्यात. प्रादेशीक भाशा माध्यम आशिल्ल्या शाळांकच सरकार अनुदान दितलो अशेंय भाजपान म्हणलां. पक्षाचे केंद्रीय फुडारी रविशंकर प्रसादान आयतारा पणजे दनपारा जाहीरनाम्याचें विमोचन केलें.
This vision document is not a document simpliciter. It is a commitment for change. Good governance is the biggest casualty in Goa in the last 5 to 7 years. Goa badly needs good governance. और सुशासन के माध्यम से ये हमारा मोटो होगा। हम गोवा के नागरिकों को आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं कि गोवा को हम पुरानी प्रतिष्ठा दिलाएंगे। विकास, विश्वास, सद्भाव, आस्था।
Making it very clear that we are scrapping the current regional plan because there are too many mistakes in it and too many question marks in it. So while scrapping it, there are areas where no question mark has been raised. Those can be brought back without any problem. And village, where the problem have arisen, is mainly village plan. So village plan, every village will get full opportunity to discuss and work out along with experts to work out their village plan, and within a given framework, I think people participation can deliver a regional plan in 6 months to 9 months. That is why I have made it very clear, within 100 days I will ensure Lok Ayukta functional. All such cases will be handed over to Lok Ayukta for necessary action with all the powers. In fact, I would welcome immediately after election, if people decide to give us the mandate, you may please suggest from whose side what are the aspects you want in Lok Ayukta to make it totally transparent, effective and functional. किंवा सगळ्या महिलांक मध्यम वर्ग आणि गरीब वर्गातल्या 1000 रुपया दर महिन्याक म्हारगाय भत्तो दिवपाचें आश्वासन आसत. Changing royalty is not within the state government's authority. So we will definitely recommend to central government that this royalty percentage has to be increased. BJP subscribes to the universal scientific principle of primary education in mother tongue. Grant in aid accordingly will be released to primary level, 1st to 4th standard, with medium in regional languages. So I think the first part is very clear. The second part arises out of the legal battle which is going on the High Court. There is a certain section which believes that they should have the right to decide the medium of instruction of their ward. We have no objection to it. The question is not right of parent to select the medium. The question is whether government should give grant to a particular this. But at the same time, because of faulty problem which Congress government has created, there are number of schools and probably thousands of students who are studying in English medium are in problem. We are giving a very categorical assurance that this issue will be amicably resolved. How is not a point which I have put here, but the first thing we will do is get them on the table, talk to them, work out a solution without sacrificing the basic Bharatiya Janata Party's viewpoint. And that is why we have said it is not BJP's viewpoint. It is a scientific and universal principle. It is not my viewpoint. So I go by experts. I go by knowledge of experts and not by political motivation.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.